beautiful people. I'm so glad to see you in 2024. God has been good to all of us. And I am still Malicious Hemo. If you're watching this for the first time, please like, share, and subscribe. And to my existing subscribers, please like, share, and keep the followers going. Now, I want to thank you all for supporting me throughout this journey and for making it possible for me to win the Luminary Award for the Keep YouTuber of the Year. So today we'll be talking about your uniqueness. One of the biggest assets that God is giving me is my uniqueness, my spark, where I thrive. Wherever I find myself, I bring positivity and enthusiasm into the room. Your uniqueness is what makes you interesting. Your uniqueness is how people relate to you. Your uniqueness is what brings the sales, the clients, and even the job you want. Here are 5 ways to discover your uniqueness. 1. Find what makes you amazing. Find the activity you love. 2. What lightens you up. 3. Observe your everyday life. Who do you meet? Why do you meet a person? And what gives you satisfaction? 4. Never miss an opportunity that comes before you. 5. Be independent. Think for yourself and keep going. So this year, I challenge you to find your unique self within your existence. So I will come your way next week. I remain Kemisha Skimo. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now and love you.